Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to 2025 Scrappy Tate Paulette's 12 Days of Christmas collab. Of course, it was hosted by her. Anyways, so these are all the participants that participated in this collab. You guys go over, check each and every one out. You guys are in for a treat. I can't wait to see what everybody has received. And don't forget to follow if you are not following them. You guys can't wait to see. Alrighty, we'll see you on our day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Welcome back, you guys. So we are on day 7. OMG, look at these tags. I still can't stop looking at these. These are amazing. And you guys, oh my goodness, like I've said, if you guys have not gone over to the other ladies' channels, please do so. Go over, show them some love and support. And oh my goodness, she had some flat back pearl beads, or oh no, I was just gonna leave it at that. She has some charms in here as well. And do excuse my little alarm, it's gonna be going off. So oh my goodness, thank you so much. So I will just leave those here and we'll put them back when I have a moment. So there you guys go. Oh my goodness, again, my partner is Stays, you guys. And of course, do go over to check everybody else. Everybody's been, oh my goodness, everybody sent out so many amazing creations. And like I said before, I'm trying to comment, I'm trying to watch and comment, so please bear with me. How cute! Oh my goodness, and she put my name. How did you do that? Oh, love it. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Did you sew this? Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Oh, I love how she did the name on here. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you so much. It's so cute. And it seems like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I have never thought of doing this. I don't think I've seen other people do this yet. Oh my gosh. How cute is this? And do I have some of these? I might have some of these. I've been wanting to do something similar. So, oh, I love this idea. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I love the idea. It's so cute. And I love how she did the wire wrapping. I am definitely going to be using the wire thing for my beads and everything. So how cute is this? I love this. I am going to craft lift this. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. So again, this is day 7, you guys. And you guys go over and check everybody else out. You guys are in for a treat. And thank you guys for taking the time to watch. And we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.